How do you find easements on your land? This is Dave at TitleSearch.com. Easements on real estate are a really important factor to understand when purchasing a property or even building structures on a property. Easements have been granted for utility lines. It may be sewer, water, sometimes electrical lines, sometimes even adjacent properties have easements across your land. How do you find these records? Well, they normally are not attached to the current deed of a property because in many cases the easements were placed and written many decades ago, sometimes in the 40s and 50s, depending on when the land was originally developed. They probably weren't placed when the house was built. They were probably placed even before that when the property was subdivided to allow for things like sidewalks and maybe overhead wires and maybe even under the ground drainage. Finding these easements is a very specialized type of title search, which goes back to when that easement was placed and pulls the corresponding documents and reads through them, because one easement typically will affect multiple properties. So you have to find that general easement, sometimes an easement in gross or easement in pertinent, and find out how it affects each individual property. If you do have questions about how to search for easements on real estate, you can reach us at our website at TitleSearch.com.